Hey guys, today I will show you how to cut your hair in Project Zomboid. First, you need the right tools. A pair of scissors in your inventory. Scissors can be found in medical cabinets, schools, pharmacies, bathrooms, or desks while looting. After acquiring scissors, click the heart icon on the left-hand side and select the Info tab. Look for the hair or beard section. This lets you see the current styles and the options available. To cut or change your hair, select Change and choose the hairstyle option you want and confirm. As long as the required item is present, the haircut option works. You don't need to hold them in your hand or stand by a mirror. And remember, hair in Project Zomboid grows over time, so you'll need to repeat cuts if you want to keep a specific style. And that's how you cut your hair in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.